Welcome back to Haley and Shay's YouTube channel.
Today
we have
something special.
a very special guest with us, and her name is
Megan
Rod from Megan and
move
Channel.
Okay.
Don't make it weird.
Today
We are going to be making slime.
Oh, was I supposed to bring in something?
No.
Okay.
You could have brought in my
All right.
hat.
With that huge bucket.
So there's our bucket. This is our bucket. We're gonna be
it like
using.
covers over your face.
Yep, that's what it's all about.
Yep.
So when we're making this, we're probably gonna be on our knees, and so you guys probably won't see our faces.
Hi.
So
Yeah, Megan can be on her knees.
let's get started. So first we're gonna pour the
And then
water,
we're gonna stir it.
Water and then glue.
Empty bowl.
First, we're gonna make borax.
Empty
Borax
bowl.
water, yes. That's what the water's
Context.
for.
Yes.
I knew that.
Okay, so done.
Give me a sec. So
How much
take
of the
the
slime
borax.
are we gonna use? Like
I don't know.
a quarter of it?
It's good.
It's not.
I meant whatever.
Take
Yeah, trusty mixer
some
spoons.
borax.
Ooh, can I put a spoon in borax?
P.S. There will be a timer going off at, I don't know, a time. Because we are
Making Hannah's too.
Hannah's.
We're doing
Do we have enough Hannah juice?
Yes, because remember
Because we did really...
we did 3. Yes.
We did
last
4.
time.
We did.
Yeah.
Yeah, Grace did hers too.
And did you guys just have that little tiny bottle?
Mm-hmm.
So you could probably do.
And it was already halfway gone.
So I put a lot of borax in it just because I'm dumb. So I put a lot.
Oh,
of
you
stuff
were
in it.
only supposed to do it once.
Who cares?
We're gonna get active.
The more the merrier.
Okay, so how much glue
Stir it up a little.
shall I
I
use?
shall pour in the glue. 'Cause I don't know how much we need.
Here, let me see.
It smells good. I don't know why. I just like the
I
smell of
love
glue.
touching
I
glue.
love the smell.
Here, do you
Oh.
want to shake this, our special guest?
I'm sorry. I really
Yeah.
shake it. I'm sorry. Hold on.
I'm sitting on the table.
I love
Alright.
when it like peels your skin.
All right, guys, pouring in.
Oh, mine's already dried.
Here we go.
Okay, now she's gonna pour the glue in. Oh, am I gonna shake that?
Hopefully this thing doesn't
Oh.
fail.
Put your oops, please up.
I want to dip my hand in that so badly.
No, Megan.
How
Leave it.
much have we used?
Here, I'll
Stop
take
it.
that.
Barely any. It's a gallon.
It is.
Don't fill this entire thing up though, because this is a gallon too.
Don't use all this.
There, that's
There,
how much we're
that's-
gonna use.
That's a lot. It's up to here, guys. You probably can't see that, but it's up to here.
All right, guys. So,
And that's a lot for us.
I want to get my spoon in right now.
wait, put the cap on. Put the cap on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll show you. Can
Alright,
I mix
guys.
it? Oh,
Um,
look at it jiggle.
We don't need to mix it now, but sure,
Jiggle,
you guys
jiggle.
can stir it around.
Oh, let's put food coloring in right now, though.
Oh yeah, no,
Yeah, because you can put it in now and then.
true. Okay, guys, so we have 2 colors. We have blue and green. We're gonna mix them.
Ooh,
I don't know.
A color.
Okay,
I want to
so-
put her in green.
Here, wait. So we're gonna do 2 drops.
Oh, done. Okay, that's easy.
It's 4 drops. There's 4 little guys in there.
Well,
Okay.
oops.
I'll mix it.
Stir
I'm
it.
gonna mix it.
Share.
Whoa!
Whoa! It's
I think
Show
colors.
the camera, Haley.
I think it's gonna make a pretty color.
Okay, wait.
it's gonna make like a bluish greenish.
Please don't drop my phone in there.
Turn around the camera.
What's up, guys?
Okay, it looks really, nice.
green. I think
Should we add some
It
more?
kind of looks like Shamrock Shake.
Man's gonna add a little bit more blue
Well,
in there.
One blue, one.
Though there's barely any blue left in there, so
One. There.
One.
Hey,
mix it.
hey, don't let my spoon drop.
Grab it! Grab it now!
Grab it, Shay.
It's okay if the glue touches your hand, I think. I don't know. Alright, and I'm gonna set it back down.
Oh, set it up. All right.
Yeah, there. No, it has.
Now
pieces
it looks like
of glue.
Shamrock Shake, guys.
It does.
We should name this slime Shamrock Shake.
Yeah, that's the slime name.
Large Shamrock Shake. No, you guys don't. You know what we should do? We should buy a McDonald's cup.
Yeah, just buy McDonald's cup. Be like, hey guys, we got. And no, prank our friends. Hey
Yeah.
guys, I
Look at this Shamrock Shake. I got the last
Haley.
one at Target.
Can I have that piece
Not
of
a target.
paper?
Why?
Because we need to put this on it.
What? No! It's in mind control on it.
It's fine. We can always make another one.
Yeah. Wait. Haley, you can't make new
Alright,
spoons.
I'm gonna add the borax water.
A little bit because you added a lot of borax, lady.
Do you see how much slime we have?
You could have just squirted it out from the top.
Yeah.
Nah. Ready?
Okay.
Here we go.
And then add.
That's good.
That's
Too much.
No, we need just enough to. Make it the slime.
Ah!
Slime it needs
Okay, guys, it's
It needs to stick together.
Ah! Megan!
Does that feel
what did she
sticky?
do?
She got it all in her hand.
Whatever.
No, not all over.
Okay, I'm sorry.
This needs to like stick together. Okay, we need to add a lot of like shampoo to this because as I can see,
Who?
We need lotion.
We
Yeah,
do.
I meant
we'll
like
add that
lotion.
last.
lotion.
Lotion.
Are you
makes
coming
it
in?
good.
Not too much, Haley.
Haley, not.
Too much.
That's not. Do you guys seriously not see how much? we
Look
put
it.
in there? Oh Jesus!
It's
no.
becoming
Oh,
shamrocky.
there's white. I see white.
Well,
Oh yeah, no, this is kind of chunky.
Megan, watch her.
Here, can I scooch this over to you? Just a little bit.
Ow.
Okay, guys. Oh wow.
Here, I'm gonna
Really
touch
become
it.
slime.
Oh,
All right,
yeah,
soon,
it is.
Soon we'll use our hands.
Oh God. Haley, you're getting it everywhere.
Oh, I am.
Here, just
Okay.
get it off with your hands. And
It's
make it
on
shine.
it's on my hand.
Oh yeah, you take your stinking spoon out. Sorry, I'm taking over.
I got this all over my hands.
Just wait until it comes to the slime, then we can just.
Use our hands.
Okay, we need more borax. Ugh.
That's enough, Haley.
Guys, I'm using a lot.
Yeah, that was.
I think whenever we're
Jake?
ready to use our
I want to take over.
whenever we're ready to use our hands, then we can use our hands.
Well, you can, as you feel right now.
I'm gonna try using my
I'm
hands.
gonna use my.
Excuse me, people. Ooh, oh, this feels so nice, but sticky.
Duh, it's slime. What do you expect? Not to be squishy?
And then when we get out all this water, then we can actually play with it.
Borax water. No, the borax water is making it into the slime right now.
Here, wait. Take the stuff. Take
gotta
the
knead
extra
it.
slime stuff off your spoon.
Whoa.
Take it off your spoon, because the more we need all the much slimy.
Haley, you are the duty
Yet.
person who takes it off the spoons.
Yeah.
I'm taking it off the spoons. They can like see your guys' faces. They can't see mine.
Because you're sitting on the table.
Well, I can't reach it when I'm sitting on the chair.
That's because she keeps on taking it over.
It's easier.
Haley, just go and find some lotion. I think we should really add some
Yeah,
lotion.
lotion always helps.
Oh Jesus.
Just go wash your hands.
Yep. I'll wash my hands. Get lotion.
What about our hands?
I'll be back.
Fix them later. She's the one who has to squirt everything in.
I'm the one who has the problem.
Here, wait, there's water down here, so.
I know that's borax water.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I gotta rest my hands.
Here, I'm gonna take a little chunk and play with that a little bit.
I just want to keep one hand at least a little bit clean.
Oh no! I gotta take this out.
Ah!
Oh
This is tiring.
no! Yeah, it's kinda.
Who knew slime could be this tiring? A lot of people. Okay,
Oh my goodness.
looks like we're running. We gotta like fold, do stuff at home.
What am I gonna do about my hands?
Wait until it becomes slime, and then we'll just like.
Cause
It will peel out for slime once our hands once it becomes slime. But it's really stringy right now. That means we're close. I just gotta
we need.
mix.
Okay, if we can make a bubble with this, then this is definitely like slime. Water already like
Lotion will deactivate it a little bit though, but it does make it a good.
See, like I can't. If I poke through it, it's like, meh. Like sticks to.
Oh. Okay, I wanna.
Can I scrape off this bluish?
Can I try to like mix the?
Oh, look at all those strings.
That's just the glue.
Strings.
Here, can I try to? Hold on. I'm just gonna try to right now. Hold it or something. I don't know.
My hands are weird. And then like look at the spoon. Okay, that spoon's like sticking to the paper.
This sounds really weird.
This hand is better than this hand. Vote which hand you'd love to have. What's your hair? No, my hair's gonna get into. Oh my goodness.
I got baby stuff lotion too.
Nice.
Do we even use that baby lotion?
Well,
Maybe. See the
Okay.
baby lotion.
or baby lotion or baby
Something.
cream?
Baby lotion. Let's use baby lotion.
Look what me and Dad.
Oh my goodness.
No, don't.
That's cool.
Alright, guys.
Add baby lotion.
Okay, baby lotion
Yeah,
or
baby
cream?
lotion. Lotion.
Lotion.
This feels even better on my hands.
Okay, just add. That's good.
That's good.
It's gonna make it a
is it
little
wet
less
on the
stringy. I hope.
A little bit better.
Should I add some more?
Not right now. We're still mixing it in.
Smells like baby.
Look what me and Dad made.
Oh.
Dad and I.
Oh.
Maybe Dad and I.
Whoops.
Me and my dad.
Dad and I.
You know what,
Yeah.
Shay? It's fine. Oh, it pokes perfectly.
Not yet, Dad.
Dalton, stop.
Dalton, don't touch. Look at us.
Dalton.
Stop.
Sorry, people. That's not my brother.
Dad is.
I don't even know him.
Yes, I do.
I do not.
Why would I be in your house if
This
I'm
isn't
going
even
your
my
only
house. This isn't my house.
This is me and Shay's house because they both know that we are sisters, right, Jay? Yeah.
I'm their sister too.
No, you're not. You're our friend.
No.
Our bestest friend of the friends.
Haley, I'm actually your guys' sister. But
Dalton.
our
stop.
like parents got divorced. Dad took them, mom took me. They're twins.
Dalton, stop throwing stuff, please.
No.
It's true.
No, mate.
Yeah, it is.
You're just our very good friend.
No, I am your sister.
You're a very
Okay,
good
let me
friend.
show you
Call
a picture
sister.
of your dad. Isn't that your dad?
That's not a picture of my dad. That's air in your hand.
Oh my goodness, over there. See it on the.
Why? Shay, is that our dad?
Yeah.
Alright, you're our sister. I believe it. Jesus, people.
They always feel like I'm not their sister.
Yeah, because
I'm
you live
never
somewhere
around,
else.
so.
Whatever, guys. Let's stop fighting. We're making stuff here. Dalton!
Dalton! Stop. We need a little bit more water. Little bit.
More?
Okay, fine.
No, not of you, Dalton.
No, Dalton.
Hey, I got this.
Oh, that's too much.
Too much.
No, it wasn't. It's fine. I was just kidding.
Dang.
Take a look.
I always go.
I'll be right back.
Try putting it on the table, see if that works. Just put like a little piece. Like
No way.
Stop! 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 Haley! Stop!
Ooh, look at there's like no string.
Stop! I'm trying to do something.
That's her ringtone. That's her ringtone. It's such a good ringtone.
I don't want you in here.
Isn't that a good ringtone? I love her ringtone. Someone's knocking on the door. I love your ringtone, girl.
Can you add a...
Okay, I think.
Should I set it down?
Yeah, try.
Dalton. You're like kind of six, but doesn't.
Now lift it up, see if it did anything. Oh no, it didn't. Oh my goodness. So I could actually like kind of
Just like add more to it. Okay, clean my hand.
Oh, this is actually good at poking.
What was the last of truth?
Haley, it's not even sticking to the
We'll
table.
just add a little bit to it.
Still, just add lotion. I'm gonna add a little bit more lotion.
Yeah, keep adding lotion to it. Because then it gets really glossy.
Haley, put some in mine, please.
Yeah, will you put...
A little bit in mine. There.
I got
There.
it.
That's good.
I got it. I just...
Oh, I get to mix this thing.
Yep.
Yeah, you're going to mix that. But we'll ask for more as we go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move everything out of the way.
Dalton, please stop.
Sorry, guys. Our fan is here.
Sorry, that was her ringtone. That was her ringtone. I love your ringtone. I was like, stop. It's just, it's kind of like how life goes. Like,
It's actually me as a baby. That's my ringtone. It's me yelling stop at my parents for doing I forget what. But, it's
Yeah,
cute.
and she loves listening to her ringtone over and over again. And as you can see, she likes differenting it, like making it different.
I like. It doesn't matter. Whatever. Why are we talking about my ringtone?
I don't know, because everybody
Can I have a little bit of more slime?
Slime?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say
Can we
lotion.
switch?
Listen to this.
Fine. Here. Let me add this in.
I need more lotion.
Kind of like sticking to me. And yours looks. You're not. That's just.
You're just kind of just like sticking to
Oh yeah! Wow. Yeah, this is good. I want to keep this batch of slime. Holy! Oh my goodness! This is Shay. How'd you do this?
I know how to make slime, I guess.
How much you?
I need a little bit of lotion.
It's perfect at poking. Could I keep this batch of slime? You two can split up that batch.
What?
And that.
We're all sharing it. We'll split it up and it's all. Dalton, stop moving the table.
So tilted.
We know
It's
it's
supposed to be.
It's not supposed to be weird. We'll fix it later.
See, look at this. It's like perfect.
No strands.
No strings.
strands.
Neither is this one.
Oh wow. You could have made a bubble.
It wasn't making a bubble, Dalton. Go away. I got blood in that.
So Dalton, some people go like this, but then they go like that, and they act.
Or
like
some
they're
people would put it just.
They don't have to be making a bubble when they do that.
Dalton, stop moving the table, please.
Now the camera's.
Messed up and you can't even see Haley.
Yeah.
And we can't fix it because of our hands.
No, my hands are
Dalton,
fine.
we need you to
Oh.
move the camera over.
No, leave it. It's fine. Wait, no.
No, move it over.
Move it over just a little.
Right there.
Uh,
Now it's even more messed up. You know what? You know what? Get out, Dalton. Get out.
Dalton.
Brother issues.
Yeah, I was the only child in my house. Till my mom had another kid.
And we sent him
And
over.
she married. That's not.
We
No.
sent him over to Dad because.
No, he is not. No, that's your brother. I don't.
He's your brother too.
I know, but like mom had another kid when we were separated. Dad went to go
Ah!
Washington,
Hair is like.
D.C. And me and mom decided to live in New York. They lived in
Mom,
Minnesota.
we live with Mom. You live with Dad.
No, Haley. Remember I lived with mom.
Oh, Jesus.
We switch every year, guys.
True. We go on the plane, we switch, you guys live in
This chair
Minnesota.
is really messing with me, so I don't like it.
We go to 2 schools.
Orno,
And
Washburn.
Yeah.
See, mine will feel fine, but then it's sticking again.
yeah,
Just give me some.
same. I need some lotion, please. Pour it in there.
Do it yourself.
Oh. Okay, guys.
This is
Was
mine.
this fully full, Haley?
No, why?
Okay, because when you came in here, I looked at
Plus, it doesn't matter.
You sure? What if
Yeah.
this was a present to Chantel?
Oh, really? There's a ton on downstairs bag.
Stop shaking. Now we have extra glue to use for next time when you come over and you come over and you come over. Everyone comes to my house. Oh wait,
Your house.
my house.
Your house is in Washington.
No, this is mom's house.
Hers is in Washington, D.C. She lives there.
Oh, my mom. Did you know that Dad's friends with the president?
Yeah, because he lives in Washington.
D.C. Well, that's the town that he lives in. The town that he lives in is Washington, D.C. Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota. I love Minnesota. It's like
Sure.
the best. Okay, I
Using
think
a
I just
different-
got this all stuck. I'm like Spider-Man.
No, if you actually throw it in, it's like.
If you were to look at this thing's like.
This is kind of like the color I have in my room for my slime.
I can actually make Spider-Man. You know, you just need to take.
We weren't talking video. Even though we're kind of like Ew.
Ooh. Hey, Dalton, can I use your shirt for a second?
No, don't let her. Don't let her. Don't let her. She's gonna put like.
No.
Haley, use your
Stop. Don't. Okay.
Take your too.
Well, I guess she got another phone call. She changed her ringtone last time.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. Oh, Jesus, that's the pizza thing.
Pizza,
Can you
pizza.
put my pizza in there?
Just to tell you girls, if you want to make Spider-Man, you just need to take.
Oh, nice.
So extreme.
I mean, can we, or we can just let the pizza cool down.
Here, hand me more slime.
Oh, why is it sticky? Someone else work with this.
This one, here. That one's a little sticky too.
If you want, you can work with this one. It's not so sticky. You can really coax through it. But if you don't hold it like that, there's like
This one can like not stick, go on the table or else it'll stick.
Yeah, it will. You can go on the table. It will stick a little bit. You can get it off.
This is why you put lotion on the table, to make it non-sticky. Hey man, can you put lotion
That's
on-
true. I taught her that.
Can you put lotion under that?
Yeah, maybe. Move that stuff. Here.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The worst thing that could ever happen. It's stuck to the band thing. I'm taking this off for safety reasons.
It's been an awful while though.
Yeah, well, I did.
What is?
Dang, I need to roll my sleeve up again.
Don't you hate it? I'm just gonna.
Someone passed me the word.
Oh no, I got a toothpick stuck in there now.
Toothpick?
That's Haley. That's for.
Yeah,
I
I
know.
know.
Hey, has the timer been off yet?
No.
Okay. Someone pass Borax water right now.
What?
Someone clean Borax water. Just. Thanks.
That was a little bit too much.
Nope. No, it wasn't.
Okay. Don't.
Get it out of my hair.
It's like a little teeny tiny piece.
Get it out.
You
get it
expect me to get out of your hair?
out. Wash your hair.
Megan, I can get it out. Two of my fingers are like literally clean.
Megan, look towards Haley right now.
Give me a sec.
Get it. Get it. Get it. We completely forgot there's a camera there. Again. As
How
always.
long is this? 23 minutes.
Sorry, guys.
If only we
You
could
might not
cut
want to
it.
watch this, but it's actually pretty interesting.
I wish we could actually cut our videos.
Oh, my friend has an app for that.
What app is it?
I forgot.
Cut out your videos.
No, you make a video on there, and then,
Cut it out.
and then it goes to your photos,
And then I bet you can cut it
and
out.
then you can send it to YouTube. No, you take little clips of parts and stuff. We made how to make a unicorn cake. It's on Instagram if you want to look at it.
Is it actually good? Like the
Um,
unicorn cake? Was it good?
Well, it was really good. It tastes good, but it doesn't look the best. But it looks pretty good for like us. First time ever making a unicorn cake. Yeah, it was pretty good. There it goes. I'm gonna stand up. Cannot
I
sit.
can't deal with the chair.
Where'd you put yours?
Let's scooch it over.
you pour more borax water in this, Haley?
Here, Shay, do you want to switch?
Yeah, sure. You want to switch? Hold on. That's good. There we go. Now it's coming along.
You want to switch?
Hold on.
Here, I need to put a teeny little bit these.
Why do you want to switch? Bud?
No, I wanted to feel all the slime in the.
This one's not ready yet.
Still, I want to like play with the end.
You can't take it out though. I'm waiting for it to be ready to take it.
Yeah. That one apparently
Whoops.
can't be taken out, so. Ooh, now it's not sticking after I added borax to it.
Yeah, add more borax. Let me place. Again.
I'm gonna stop.
That's perfect. Shut the door. Haley.
Got it?
Oh, Jesus.
STD.
Man, watch the slime.
STD.
It's fine.
Oh, this feels nice.
Don't, you better not eat our pizza.
We gotta go eat it soon.
Wow. Oh, slime.
Oh, this guy's getting ready.
Alright, guys, so that is our slime. We hope you liked it.
We might make another video of hennas and then maybe how the slime turns out.
And we'll show you guys
How big it is, like all together
Yes.
and how good. And how
on the table.
So we're gonna be working with it for a little bit more. We hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe to Haley and Shay's YouTube channel.
Don't forget Megan
many
Rylands.
Let's do 20. Let's get up to 20 likes, guys.
3 likes.
Yeah,
I'm
get
just
this.
kidding.
Guys, everyone like that button up right now to get 1 like. Come on, you can do this.
Yeah.
We got
1 like.
1 like.
Come on, guys. Haley and Shay's YouTube channel. We really want some likes here. We know we're just kids, but we still want to make a reputation with this. So,
I've seen some kids that already have 1 million likes.
yeah, like Annie LeBlanc.
Come on, guys.
Everly, whatever.
Guys. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like it up. Hit that notification bell.
We got to get.
Smash it.
Let's get to 2
Hit the
likes.
subscribe.
Come on, guys.
2 likes.
2 likes today. 2 likes.
2
And find a friend, please. We need friends.
and subscribe
Share
to our
this video.
subscribe to our channel.
Sorry that we
Subscribe
talk
to
so
Megan's
much.
Channel. Yeah.
Subscribe to Megan's
We
channel.
hope
Hit
you
that subscribe button with your nose.
hit that subscribe button with your nose.
Smash it with your knee.
Yep, and we will see you guys later. Peace.
Bye.